Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, let's talk about comments in HTML. Comment is a piece of code which is ignored by any web browser. It is a good practice to add comments into your HTML code, especially in complex documents to indicate sections of a document and any notes to anyone looking at this code. Comments help you and other understand your code and increases code readability. HTML comments are placed in between comment tags. So any content placed between comment tags will be treated as comment and will be completely ignored by the browser. Let's see an example. By this, you can use comments wherever you want. See you in next video.